Assalamu alaikum. How is everyone? I hope that you're doing great. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to count or know exactly how many students have registered with their book codes through Blackboard. Okay? And the other thing that we need to know is how many students actually took the flipped classroom activity 1 before the deadline. Okay, so in this video we have two things to show you, or we have two things to see or to know. The first one is how many students actually use their book codes and registered through Blackboard to access the e-content of one. And the second one is how many students actually took the flipped classroom activity number 1. Okay, let's go to the first one and see how many students actually registered through Blackboard for the to access the e-content. The first thing you need to know, you need to do is to go to course content, or if you have it, maybe المحتوى الدراسي. Then you need to go to the e-content, which is it depends. In my case, I have here level 3. We're talking Q skills here, okay? Only Q skills. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Okay, there are two ways. Okay, I'm gonna go to the more let's say reliable one. You go to reports, and after reports you click on online practice. After online practice, you need to choose your class. From here, from the drop down menu here, choose your class. Wait for it to load. Okay, now you have the list of your students who accessed or who used their book codes to access the e-content through Blackboard. You need to count them manually. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, count them manually, down, okay. Maybe in this case I have, let's say, 24. You need to count them one by one manually, as I said. Okay, once you have done that, please, we need this number. We need this number to enter this number in a Google form that I will send to you by email. This is the first thing. The second thing that we need is we need to know how many students actually took the first classroom flipped classroom activity, which is this one, classroom flipped classroom activities. If you click, you have Blackboard flipped classroom activity 1 type. How do I know that all my students, or some of them, or the majority of them, or how do you know that how many students know that, or took this test? It's actually a test or an activity, or in a form of a test. Okay, how do you do that? You need to scroll down, and from the green menu you go to grade center, click on it, and then you go to full grade center. As you can see, this is the list of my students. Okay, you need to go to here in this column. You have Blackboard flipped classroom activity 1. Okay, so again you need to count manually. Okay, for this, for example, this student whose name is this one, he did not take the test. There is no result for him, so we have to exclude him. Okay, you need to count only the numbers, which means this is it refers to the ones who actually took the test. Okay, please count them manually. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to continue going down, okay, all the way down. I need to count manually. For example, I have 25. Once you have counted the number, please, I need this number. Please enter this number in the Google form link that I will send to you by email. That's everything. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your cooperation. And please, please, please make sure that the numbers that you enter are accurate. Thank you very much.